So we need to set these parameters to match our agent's height and our agent's radius. See, if we move here, you can see him represented differently here, and the height is here as well. You can change the slope and you can change the step height. You can also generate off-mesh links automatically by setting a drop height and a jump distance. Let's click bake and just see how this changes things. So having the radius be too large has blocked our path across here. So this is a good example of why you need to match your own agent's height. So let's say our guy is about 1.5 tall and his radius is going to be about 0.5. Then let's click bake. And now you can see he can fit across. Now, there's some advanced tabs here, like the manual voxel size. This increases the quality of the overall map, but also decreases your performance. The minimum region area is the minimum size that the NavMesh can be. And having such a large minimum region area is the reason we don't have a surface on top of this bar right here. And there's the height mesh option. So height mesh will give you a more accurate representation, say over stairs. So take a look at this smooth gradient here. If we click bake after selecting height mesh, we see we've now got this pink lines of how tall everything is in addition to the actual nav mesh itself. So that'll help your agents go more smoothly over the stairs. We can also see these points, these off-mesh links that were created where we can drop down if we so choose. In this module, we learned that navigation is easy with Unity by baking nav meshes over which nav mesh agents can cross until they are blocked by nav mesh obstacles, but they can connect other parts of the nav mesh with nav mesh links. We also built a nav mesh. We selected scene geometry for navigation, we set to navigation static, we adjusted the bake settings to match our agent size, and we clicked bake to build the nav mesh. Stay tuned for the next module where we learn to use the NavMesh agent to traverse the NavMesh we created.